How to delete Grubhub account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can delete your Grubhub account, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you'd like to delete your Grubhub account, then all you have to do is simply first of all go ahead and then launch Grubhub on your phone. Once you launch Grubhub, you're going to see this type of interface that you can see over here. Then you want to tap the account icon from the bottom right hand side of the screen. Once you tap the account icon from the bottom right, you just need to scroll all the way to the bottom until you get to the section where it says manage account, as you can see here. So you want to tap on manage account. Once you tap on manage account, if you look at the very top, you can see manage data or delete account. So you want to make sure to tap on manage data or delete account. As you do that, on the privacy page, you need to scroll here and you'll find delete your personal information. So all you have to do is just tap on submit a request button over here. You need to simply verify your email address. Tap the verify button. Once you've done that, your request is going to be successfully sent and your Grubhub account will be successfully deleted. That is it on how you can delete your Grubhub account. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.